Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, if you like the tutorial, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Alright, so this one is for those who have the or those who are on Android. And if you're on Android, you could either be on a pure Android device or maybe you're on the Samsung branded devices. I'll show you 2 to 3 ways you can use to actually get the Fortnite app. Alright, so if you do not know already, the Fortnite app is no longer a part of the Play Store. And as you know, Play Store, if you go ahead and search Fortnite, as I have here in the search, you'll notice that these are just guides and so on. They're not the full Fortnite app, as the Fortnite app has been removed from the Play Store. Now, of course, since the Fortnite in 2020 has been removed due to differences between Epic Games, the creators of Fortnite, and of course Google, which is the owner of the Android operating system. I'm going to show you various ways you can actually still get the app. Now, of course, once it's missing from here, if you're on a Samsung based device, I want you to just go ahead and you're going to look for the Galaxy Store. Now, Galaxy Store only comes pre-installed on Samsung devices. So if you have a Samsung device, go ahead and go to your Galaxy Store. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to go ahead and once you're here, you're going to use the search feature. And you're going to search for Fortnite. And of course, Fortnite is still in the in this store. So of course it was removed from the other stores. But of course, as you can see here, I have mine installed already. So I'm just showing you how you can go about getting it. Of course here, as you can see, mine is installed already. But for you, notice it's still in this store. And of course you can go ahead and install. For you, as I said, it should say install. You're gonna go ahead and install and it should be trouble free. It's a very large file, so bear with it as it installs. Now, of course, that's for those who are on the Samsung devices. Now, for other Android devices, you'd have to install through a APK file. Now, you can get APK file in 2 ways. You can go ahead and, of course, get it directly from Epic Games, which is recommended since they are the developers, or you can download from third-party sources. I do not recommend from third-party sources. I recommend from Epic Games. All right. So, of course, from here, guys, go ahead and launch any browser. Once you launch a browser, you should be on Google. Alright, so once you're on the website, guys, just go ahead and type in Epic Games. If you do not know, Epic Games is the Fortnite team that created the Fortnite game. So once you have Epic Games here, notice you have, it says Android. Go ahead and click Android. Or you could go on the website and click Android. It will still work. So click Android right here. Alright, so notice you're here now, guys. And there are 2 options given. So all you gotta search for is Epic Games and click on the Android link. This is giving you the options for Android. I already showed you how to find in the Galaxy Store for those who are Samsung Galaxy, but for those who are pure Android or other form of Android devices, any other type of Android device, go ahead and click this one right here. And it's going to show you this thing here. And of course, it's showing you this type of may harm your phone. Do not worry about this message. This is a general warning. It's just telling you if you do not understand what a file is, do not just go ahead and download from any website. As I was telling you earlier, we're going to download the APK file. Hit download and it says start in download. And notice it's downloaded. And then if I hit... Alright guys, so if you're seeing here or still be able to see, I'm going to tap here for the download. And notice it's giving me an option. What do I want to do in terms of opening the files? All it requires is a file explorer. For you, it might not show that. I'm just going to use the default. It says package installer. And if I say just once, there you go. It says, do you want to install an update to this existing application? Your existing data will not be lost. And you can hit install. For you, it might say something different. As for me, I already have it installed. So I'm going to hit cancel. So you do get the idea. Once you do that, it should install. The other way, guys, which I do not recommend, is you could go to another website. You could just type in Epic Games, or you could type in Fortnite APK. APK download. There you go. And from here, it will give you the APK file. It would tell you some sites. I recommend only to download from the official site. Some people, like for example, like to use some other sources. Notice all of these are other sources. like APK Pure. Of course, I can't vouch for any of these websites. I've seen people use APK Pure, for example, but one of the things is that you do not know what these links lead to. For example, if there's a shady website, they might put something else in the installer, and of course that installer might be affect your device, as there could be viruses and so on. So I don't recommend this method. That's the third and final method. As I said, some people use APK Pure. You could try that, but of course, as I said, I don't recommend it. They might install something else, and this will of course mess with your device. So of course, those are 3 methods. So just to summarize, make sure if you have a Samsung device, you'll have it very easy. Just go to the Samsung store. If you have another Android device, you can download straight from Epic Games the APK file and install, as I showed. I already have mine installed. And of course, you can go to a third-party APK file website, but be careful. Sometimes there might be viruses and other stuff in those installers, and you can't vouch for them unless you really know that website. And of course, that should be it. Once you do all of those, guys, you should be able to install Fortnite in 2020. And of course, get around the fact that it's no longer on the Google Play Store. Alright, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. As usual, guys, saying bye until next time. Love you guys. Bye.